are pleased to show you the 2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.